What's up guys, Ackeem telling here. Now in this video we're going to do the review of the ski mask. So basically I try and let you guys see all different colors that come inside. So basically it's around 9 colors that come inside right here. I'm just gonna try them on, let you guys see all different colors in this package right here. So as you can see guys, we have the red, we have the yellow right here, we have the blue, we have the purple, we have the black, we have the gray, we have the white, we have the yellow, and we have the orange. So I'm just gonna rock them right now guys, let you guys see how these basically if I'm right, yeah. So hope you guys find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.